Why are you so good to me, Lancome? So Lancome sent me this PR gift. It is from their global makeup artist, Shika. She picked all these products out, and I'm going to give them a try. I have been using a lot of Lancome products lately, and I have to say I have been very impressed with many of them. So first we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the SPF that they sent me. You know, I'm a huge fan of SPF. And so we'll put that on my clean, moisturized skin. It does have a fragrance. I'm not a big fan of fragrance. So it's not a bad fragrance by any means. They could just do without it. The kids just arrived. I can hear them. I'm going to start off with my Juicy Tube here. This is in Spring Fling. These are so hydrating. This is something completely new to me. It is a serum primer. It looks like it's in a cushion. It seems like a cushion the way that it opens. But look how this comes out. It's crazy. What's kind of interesting about this primer is that over time it will improve the appearance of your skin. So it's supposed to make you look hydrated, smoother, and make your foundation last longer. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. Now they didn't send me a foundation, but I do have this Lancome 24-hour wear, which I really like when I'm out and about. It gives such a natural coverage, but it lasts all day. This primer gives me a really nice glowy look, so that's going to be beautiful underneath my foundation, I think. And no scent to it. I really like this one. Let's go in with my foundation. Just going to lightly put that on with my fingers and then blend it in with my sponge. Might have gone a little heavy with the contour, but we're gonna just trust the process here. I have some Lancome concealer. I'm gonna wait to do concealer at my eyes because I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on. This is the eye palette in French Nude. It is gorgeous. This is my color exactly. I love these. And what I love too is, look, they showed you where to put the shadow, which is so helpful for me because I still apply my eyeshadow like I'm in 1980s. So base color, they say put everywhere. So that is what I'm gonna do. Color 2 is the upper lids. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more smaller brush with this darker brown. That's gonna go in the corners here. Then I like to bring that down underneath my eyes. This rose color right here just goes right here. And I think I might use my finger. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice little pop. Definitely my vibe, and I've never used a eyelash priming mascara primer before, so I'm gonna see if this makes any difference. All right, I'm gonna put on the mascara off camera because can't see. All right, that mascara was the Lancome Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara, and I think it's really pretty. Eyeliner, they sent it in a brown, which I'm so happy about because I think I'm just gonna make some freckles and kind of just recontour my nose that way. And we need a little concealer under our eyes. And here is the finished look. Don't mind my hair. I love it. I love it. It looks natural. Thank you, Lancome. I love it. I love this primer. Feels really good. We'll see how it lasts throughout the day at the fair. But I'm going to get dressed and go get ready to take the kids. All right. Have a great day, guys.